Hello everyone. Meet again with my channel Car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about Car's 2024 Nissan Armada. Fuel and emissions regulations are getting stricter all around the world, not just in Europe. Automakers active in the United States know that, which is why the new Toyota Sequoia has lost its gas-guzzling V8 in favor of a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6. It would seem Nissan will be going down the same road with its very own full-size SUV for the next-generation Armada. Automotive News has it on good authority the 3-row body-on-frame vehicle will also drop the naturally aspirated V8 for a smaller and more efficient 6-cylinder. Citing a dealer with information about Nissan's agenda, and mentions the revamped Armada will switch to a newly developed twin-turbo V6. Such a move would follow not just the Sequoia, but also the Ford Expedition, which retired the V8 several years ago. The second-gen Armada has been around since the 2017 model year and received a mid-cycle facelift for 2021 MY. Its replacement will apparently reach dealers across North America towards the end of 2023. That would make it a 2024 MY, with MPG numbers far better than the current model. We'll remind you the 2WD returns 16 mpg combined while the 4WD does just 15 mpg. As for power, we aren't necessarily expecting a big drop despite the adoption of a smaller engine. The current 5.6-liter V8 makes 400 horsepower at 5,800 revolutions per minute and 413 pound-feet of torque. The adoption of forced induction will not only pay dividends in terms of fuel economy, but should also enable more lower-end oomph, even though the maxim output might not match the VK56 VDs. On a related note, the automaker announced this week plans to abandon ICE development for European markets. However, Nissan did say it will continue to engineer gasoline engines where it projects these will remain relevant, including the United States. A few days ago, Nikkei Asia reported R&D will mainly continue for trucks and SUVs in the US.